Google is striking again with a new addition in its NotebookLM. Google's NotebookLM first debuted its AI-powered research tool with audio overviews and video overviews followed, and now they're even better than ever. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Imagine having your own personal professor, one who never sleeps, speaks over 80 languages, and turns your notes into mini lectures with slides and narration. That's exactly what Google's NotebookLM is aiming for with its latest upgrade multilingual video overviews. Welcome to the new era of global personalized learning. This feature was only available in English, but now you can upload your notes, research papers, meeting transcripts, and even blog posts and have them turned into a 7-minute narrated video from Tamil to Polish to Portuguese to dozens of other languages. It's not just a summary pulled from the internet or hallucinated AI response, because everything it presents is rooted in the actual content you've uploaded. Think of it as a smarter way of making PowerPoint presentations where you don't have to put in work. It builds itself and speaks your language too. Though those PowerPoint-like videos won't be flashy, obviously this isn't TikTok and the voiceovers won't win any awards either, but that's not the point. This is clarity over glittery notes. Whether you're studying for an exam or prepping a global team for a pitch, NotebookLM now offers both video overviews and full-length audio overviews across the globe. That means you can listen to research breakdown while driving or watch a narration of your project without having to open a slide. Sure, AI is still not perfect and struggles a lot, but this update brings a powerful, practical tool into the hands of anyone needing to understand or share information. No more translating for teammates or simplifying your work for others. The AI does that in their language based on your material. Simple. Are you ready to try this feature, or is it a pass for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.